Hey, one of the reasons that your house is moved is because it's got high expansive clay, right? So it swells with irrigation of water, right? So if you don't have anything treated, you have a high PVR, this is what it does to your house, to the soil around your house. So it swells and lifts the edges up, and that's where you get your cracking in your siding or your brick, your doors don't open properly, your windows and things like that. So this represents probably about 4 to 5 inches of PVR, which is potential vertical rise. That's what happens when it rains. Over time, it lifts the corner of your house or over here, and it's not uniform. And like I said, that's where you get the movement. We stop that with our chemical injection. So this is untreated clay. We take the negative charge out of the clay. And then when we get through treating it, it doesn't have a negative charge anymore. So it stops that heavy bond of water in between these clay platelets. And that's where you get your swell, and you also get your contraction. But again, that's where we stop it from doing that. We've also got a university study on the ProChemical soil stabilizer as well. And you go to our website and it'll tell you about all of that too as well.
Beyond every market in Texas.
Yes, we're everywhere in Texas, we're in Mississippi, Arizona. We do a little bit everywhere. Anywhere where there's CH clay, we do it. And we also do hand injection, which is around the perimeter of the house too, to stop it from moving. And if it's under warranty work, then your builder could come in after we do the injection, then they come in and do all the cosmetic repairs and things like that to stop it. So,
yeah, I appreciate it.
Nice to meet you, Marta.
You too.